Hi, my name is Helena Wood and I deal with cases arising from birth negligence at Hudgell Solicitors. Cases involving birth negligence are one of the most emotionally difficult that we handle, as errors in care during pregnancy and birth can lead to devastating consequences and lifelong repercussions for families and their children. We know that seeing a child suffer is one of the hardest things a parent can go through, especially when that suffering is due to the negligence of medical professionals. During such difficult times, families need support emotionally, psychologically and financially to help them adapt to the huge change in their lives. Mothers may also experience a wide variety of complications that range in severity. If you feel you or your child has suffered as a result of improper treatment and care during childbirth, you may be entitled to compensation. Birth negligence can take many forms. For example, failure to diagnose and treat infections and monitoring failures during the pregnancy can affect an unborn child's health and at worst lead to the avoidable stillbirth or death of a baby. When assisting with a delivery, medical staff may also inadvertently use excessive force or fail to carry out a caesarean section when one is clearly needed. This may result in a child being born with serious neurological damage. Cerebral palsy, a brain injury that approximately 1 in 400 children in the UK are born with every year, affects movement and muscle control and can be caused by the failure to recognise signs that a baby may be in distress, such as prolonged abnormal heartbeats, which can be caused by a lack of oxygen. Birth negligence can also result in serious injuries from the inappropriate use of forceps or ventouse, or Erbs Palsy, which is a nerve injury that affects the movement of the shoulder, arm and hand. Also, conditions such as hip dysplasia, if not diagnosed and treated, may affect joint health and development. Bonding with your child and caring for them during the postnatal stage is an important part of both your lives, but if as a mother you have suffered from an injury, this may be much harder. Mothers may also suffer from mistakes during caesarean procedures, perennial tears, swabs being left inside them, errors in anaesthetising, uterine rupture and psychological difficulties related to a traumatic birth. Whilst no amount of money can make up for an unwell child or the tragic loss of a baby, our team will ensure the circumstances of your case are fully investigated on your behalf and will seek assurances where appropriate that a hospital's policies and procedures have been altered to avoid similar mistakes occurring in the future, as well as seeking apologies where clear errors have been identified. We'll always seek to secure you the highest settlement possible, which can often ensure families are able to pay for ongoing treatment and care for their children and to make necessary adaptations to their homes. We work on a no-win, no-fee basis, which means there is no cost to you when making a claim. Call our team today on 0808 271 40 31.